Hi, it's me, Khandie. We're in a, what was the sunflower field is now a pumpkin field with, where are you? Look, you're hidden.
I'm here.
This is what is it?
Style magpie.
Go again.
Smile like you're a magpie. Style magpie.
I'll put all the links before and the video we did before. We're back in the field where we were with the sunflowers, but the sunflowers now look like this. We're at pumpkins. So yeah, have some pictures, enjoy. The settings will be there. And all of her links will be there, so enjoy. These are for Rachel's social media, so it's really keen that we get loads of different angles and perspectives. By the way, this place has so many pumpkins, honestly, so many different varieties as well. Just look how many, and this is near the end of the season for them. I also switched lenses to the Composer Pro with the Sweet 50 and to get this sort of blurred motion around the side for some interest. Here she is posing with some coffee. Notice the difference between that and the 85mm here. If you haven't watched our video where we came to the sunflower fields, it is linked previously, but this is what's left now from the sunflowers. I love they've got this spooky vibe to them, so we did some shots in there. Rachel was really game to get in amongst them all. They are a little bit spiky, but I love the decaying matte, and I did use some of the cooler lenses that I had. My Lensbaby came out once again to give this kind of surreal effect, but as well as using the Sweet 50, I also swapped over to the Twist 60 optic as well, again in the Composer Pro. While the main focus is often on the outfits of your influencer, it's good to get some filler pictures such as the sunflowers for content. I also managed to snaffle some apple juice made there on the farm to take home and some wildflower seeds. It's such a cute little location. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and you know, yeah, that stuff that apparently makes me look cool.